Hello, this is Padmaja. Today I'll show you how to make paper beads. To make these beads, you need to know about three things. What tool you will have to use, then marking and cutting, rolling and waterproofing. You can use any kind of paper, advertisement paper, old calendar, wedding cards, handmade paper, even cloth. With denim cloth, you will get beautiful beads. Now, coming to the tool point, this is a long eye needle which is used for sewing books. Cut the joint of the eye with cutting plier. Roll shilkar or seal like this. Insert the needle in the middle. Let it dry. You can use air dry clay also. This is the small eye needle which I use for quilling. This is the big eye needle to make beads. We have to insert thread also in the middle. So big eye. This is the sack needle for big beads like this, 1 inch, 1.5 inch beads. This is used to seal rice bags, which you will get at hardware shops. As I said, you can use any kind of paper. A4 size colored sheets also you can use. Decide the length of the bead, how much big bead you want. According to that, mark at both sides of the paper. We'll assume one side as alphabets and the other side as numbers. These are half-inch marks. Take a scale and from A to 1 draw a line, then A to 2, then 2 to B. That means the wider side of the strip will come alternatively. One side at this side, one time at that side. The wider side of the strip will come alternatively. That's all you have to keep in mind. Draw it like this. In this manner, we will decide the paper equally. These are half-inch beads. Cut along the line with scissors carefully. Don't get any rough edges. This will spoil the look of the bead. You will get a long triangle like this. When you are ready with all the cuttings, start rolling. After practicing marking and drawing with the big beads, you will go to small beads like this. This is 4 inch or 5 mm, 5 mm strip. With this length, you will get a small bead. This will use as spacer between big beads. To mark on the calendars, I use this tailoring scale. I made this bead mala for Ganesha. Those are 1.5 inch beads. Half-inch or quarter-inch beads can use for jewelry. This half-inch bead of a calendar. The paper thickness and length will decide the size of the bead. These are quarter-inch beads from old calendar. You can insert quilling shapes in the middle of the beads. These are two sizes of beads there. One is half inch and one is 3 or quarter inch. I kept alternatively. These are two colored beads, half inch and less than quarter inch. Quarter inch beads are like spaces in the middle. You can mix and match the colors and sizes of the beads. To make these beads, you need to know about three things. First one, what's the tool you have to use? This is a big eye needle which is used to sew books. You'll get this at craft shops or stationery shops for 4 or 5 rupees. Roll Shilpkar or MC like this. Insert the needle in the middle. Cut the joint of the eye with the cutting plier. Let it dry. Your tool will be ready. This is small eye needle which I use for quilling. This is the sack needle which is used to seal rice bags. This I use to make big beads like 1 inch, 1.5 inch beads. This needle I will use. After cutting the bead, take your tool, start rolling from the wider side of the strip. The design which you want to display on bead should be outer side. Start from the wider side, insert the paper inside the eye of the needle and start rolling. With the other hand, help the paper to stay in the middle. Roll it till the end. On tail, apply glue. Roll the excess glue all over the bead. Push it with your nail. Your bead is ready. Now insert this bead on toothpick. Better to take plastic toothpicks so that paper will not, color will not stay on the stick. Insert it. If you don't want to change the color of the bead, just you want glaze, apply Fevicol and water mix 1:1 ratio on this bead. I make this bead stand. When I apply glue or varnish, I rest the beads on this, or else you take a bowl and fill it half with rice or sand and you can insert these in that also. After drying the Fevicol, apply varnish. If you want to color the bead, just without Fevicol, apply color on the bead. You can use fabric colors or acrylic colors or nail polish. If you are applying nail polish, no need to apply varnish. But you have to apply 2 coats of nail polish. If you are not satisfied with the shade, can apply third coat also. If you are using acrylic colors, one shade is enough. 1 coat is enough. Let it dry. Thank you.